In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable showing images on Brave browser in PC. If images aren't loading in your browser, it can make websites look broken or incomplete. The good news is that Brave gives you a simple switch to control whether sites can display images. I'll walk you through exactly where that setting lives and what to check so pictures start showing up again. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Make sure you're on any tab or home page. It doesn't matter which website you're viewing for this change to work. Now look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-line menu icon. This opens Brave's main menu, where you can access all of your browser tools and preferences. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to Brave's Settings dashboard, where everything is organized in a side panel for easy navigation. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section controls what sites can do and what data they can access, including permissions related to images, cookies, and more. It's the right place to adjust how content loads. Next, select Site and Shields settings. Think of this page as Brave's control center for site behavior. It combines the Shields protections Brave is known for with individual site permissions, so you can decide what loads automatically and what doesn't. Scroll until you find images and click it. This page focuses specifically on whether websites are allowed to display images when you visit them. Here, choose Sites can show images. This turns image loading back on for all sites by default. If images were previously blocked, this is the main switch that restores them. Below that setting, you'll typically see sections for custom behaviors and exceptions. If a particular site was added to a blocked list, it may still prevent images from appearing on that site. Reviewing those entries can help if one website continues to hide pictures while others look fine. After you enable images, go back to a page that wasn't displaying pictures and reload it. Most of the time, the images will appear immediately. If you still don't see them on a specific website, check whether that site has stricter settings in the exceptions list on the same images page. You can also glance at the Brave Shields icon next to the address bar on that site to make sure no additional content blocking is affecting images there. That's all you need to do. By opening the menu, heading into Settings, choosing Privacy and Security, going to Site and Shield Settings, opening images, and allowing sites to show images, you'll restore pictures across the web in Brave. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!